Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on securing your online connection with Hassi Tunnel VPN on your Android device. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your privacy, and I'll walk you through the setup process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Hassi Tunnel VPN, and tap the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the Hassi Tunnel VPN app. When you first open the app, you should see a button labeled Update. Tap this button to make sure the app has the latest server list and configurations. On the next screen, select Online Update. This will connect to the Hassi Tunnel VPN servers and download any available updates. Allow the update process to complete fully. After the update has finished, tap Servers to view the list of available servers. On the server selection screen, I recommend choosing Auto Server. This will allow the app to automatically select the best server for your current location, ensuring optimal performance. Next, select your desired connection method. In most cases, all countries' UDP is a good choice. UDP often provides a good balance of speed and reliability. Finally, with your server and connection method selected, simply tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up Hassi Tunnel VPN on your Android device. By following these easy steps, you've significantly enhanced your online security and privacy. Remember to always use VPNs responsibly and ethically. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips on staying safe online.